When it comes to enhancing the value of your home, few improvements are as impactful as quality window replacement. In Palmetto Bay, where aesthetics and functionality are equally prized, upgrading your windows not only boosts your home's curb appeal but also offers substantial energy savings and increased comfort. Let's explore why window replacement is a smart investment and how it can elevate your home's value. The importance of quality windows in Palmetto Bay. Palmetto Bay is known for its sunny weather, coastal breezes, and occasional storms. This unique climate means homeowners need windows that can withstand intense sun exposure, high humidity, and potentially severe weather conditions. Old or inefficient windows can lead to drafty interiors, high energy bills, and even structural issues. Investing in quality windows tailored to Palmetto Bay's environment ensures your home stays energy efficient and protected. Modern window designs offer enhanced insulation, UV protection, and hurricane resistance, making them essential for homes in this vibrant community. The value-adding benefits of window replacement: enhanced curb appeal. Your home's exterior is the first impression for potential buyers. Outdated or damaged windows can make your property look neglected. Replacing them with sleek, modern designs instantly elevates your home's aesthetic. Choose from a variety of styles, such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows, to complement your home's architecture. Palmetto Bay's diverse homes can benefit from window designs that reflect contemporary or traditional Florida charm. Improved energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are a major selling point for today's environmentally conscious buyers. In Palmetto Bay's warm climate, energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by reducing heat transfer. This not only lowers your cooling costs but also minimizes strain on your HVAC system, extending its lifespan. Look for windows with ENERGY STAR certification, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to maximize these benefits. Increased natural light. Bright, sunlit interiors create an inviting and spacious feel. Modern windows are designed to maximize natural light while filtering out harmful UV rays that can damage your furnishings. Palmetto Bay's sunny days are a natural advantage, and upgraded windows let you make the most of this abundant light. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling area or near busy streets can mean dealing with unwanted noise. Quality windows with double or triple pane glass and soundproofing features significantly reduce noise infiltration. This added comfort can be a major draw for potential buyers looking for a tranquil living space. Hurricane protection. Hurricane season is a reality for Palmetto Bay residents. Impact-resistant windows are a wise investment, providing essential protection against strong winds and flying debris. Many of these windows are also attractive, blending seamlessly with your home's design while offering unmatched security and peace of mind. The ROI of window replacement and home improvement projects are often judged by their return on investment, ROI. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to add value to your home. According to real estate experts, you can recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of window replacement when you sell your home. The combination of enhanced aesthetics, energy savings, and functional improvements makes it a highly attractive upgrade for both current homeowners and potential buyers. Choosing the right windows for your Palmetto Bay home. Selecting the right windows involves considering factors such as style, material, and functionality. Here are a few tips to help you make the best choice. Material matters. Vinyl, wood, and aluminum are popular options. Vinyl windows are affordable and low maintenance, while wood adds a classic touch. Aluminum frames are durable and sleek, ideal for modern homes. Style and design. Match your windows to your home's architectural style. For instance, large picture windows can enhance a contemporary home, while double-hung windows suit traditional designs. Local expertise. Partner with a reputable window replacement company in Palmetto Bay. Local professionals understand the specific needs of the area and can recommend products that meet both aesthetic and functional requirements. Conclusion. Quality window replacement is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in your home's future. In Palmetto Bay, where beauty and resilience go hand in hand, upgrading your windows enhances your property's value, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and attractive home, new windows are a transformative upgrade. Take the first step toward boosting your home's value and improving your quality of life by exploring quality window replacement options today. With the right windows, your Palmetto Bay home will shine brighter, feel more secure, and command higher value for years to come.